Hey, welcome. We're back for another day of Rob and Patti on the Run. Today we are in Helsinki, Finland. We are continuing with our 10-day Baltic Sea tour. I think this is called Jewels of the Baltic. As you can see by these little green dots on our shirts, we have been checked in for our excursion here in Helsinki. This is called Medieval Porvoo Porcelain Factory. So my guess is we are going to be brought to a gift shop in a porcelain factory and we'll be able to buy porcelain.
Yes, we are going for a tour to Porvoo. We are also going to a ceramics kind of shop or where they do.
Okay. It's a simple method. We just dip it into the glaze and then it comes up, and it's not like paint that is sticky. You can straight touch it. And we cut it like this, and we cast liquid clay inside the mold. We put marks, they go 500 marks in this curd firing. And then we fire every day, and the first firing. This is how it looks here in our small factory.
We just got done taking our tour of the Via porcelain factory here in Porvoo, Finland. It was a factory tour and it was okay. You know what though? We didn't buy anything. I almost feel like I failed. Patti and I were just discussing why we didn't really purchase anything here, and you know, it's all handmade, but all the artwork, the pretty artwork on the outside is just really a silk screened transfer that they put on there and then fire it.
Yep.
So maybe a little too perfect for something in a factory like this.
Yeah.
We are in the streets of Porvoo, checking out all the different specialty stores. This is probably the coolest food truck I've ever seen. If you know the make and model, let me know. Well, I think we made a haul at this chocolate factory. Pretty good stuff. Here we are in the city center of Helsinki. Beautiful Helsinki cathedral here. Looks like that's the end of our Rob and Patti on the Run here in Helsinki. We were on the Medieval Porvoo Porcelain Factory tour. If I had to give this a rating, I would probably not rate it real high. It's a tour I wouldn't want to do again. Porvoo and the Porcelain Factory were, in my opinion, a little boring, and I didn't get a lot out of it.
The town was really quaint, but the porcelain factory was kind of disappointing. I mean, they're made here in Finland, but...
I'd like to thank y'all for coming along with us again today for this Rob and Patti on the Run. Whatever you're doing, we're hoping you're having a great day, because we are. See you next time. Bye.